Hey guys, welcome back to the another most beautiful and flawless shape of line haircut transformation. Guys, if you are looking for some hottest pushback hairline transformation, I think this video gonna work for you. So don't skip this video, watch this video to end. And as you can see, this guy got perfect shape of line. We are moving to the next one. As you can see, this guy also need some push his hairline back, and let's see what's gonna happen. We are waiting to see final product. Oh my god, look at this one. He got saved. Yes, you can book your appointment. I will mention this barber in my description box, so if you really wanna visit that barber, yes you can. We're moving to the next one. Damn! Look at this one. The low tapper with perfect shape of line with afro. We are moving the wolf chops, prepping his hairline, and look at his C cup. That's the final product. That was literally flawless. We are another receding hairline haircut transformation right here. So let's see what's gonna happen. That was huge a transformation. At least this guy got new life, and that was literally flawless. Okay. Here is the before, here is the after. That was literally flawless. Howling transformation for this guy. If you have a similar problem, I think you have to visit that barber. Wow, that's perfect. This is gonna be a most cleanest shape of line haircut ever. All natural and no enhancement. That looks perfect. Oh my god. The way this barber connected C cup with beer line and connected with shape of line, that was literally flawless transformation. Okay, that's perfect. A sleigh hancho just a change at that guy die. We have a little fella, and this is gonna be a most craziest shape of line transformation because this guy have not enough hair on their forehead to make a perfect shape of line. So let's see, this guy have some round hairline, and but this barber gonna save him. That's fair enough. That's fair enough. No pushback. That's perfect. I appreciate that, Barber. By the way, this kid is sleeping, and when he will wake up, he will see his hero line, and this is gonna be a surprise for him. Wake up, man. Wow. Perfect mid fade with crispiest shape of line. There was no enhancement. Look at this one. That was just flawless bell mid fade. I love that. Look at this hero line. This is gonna be a major fix of the day. This barber just going to do surgery for this guy. Oh wow. There is no enhancement. The most beautiful part of this haircut was no enhancement. That's the end look, and that's the perfect low mid fade. And this is gonna be your last haircut transformation. And this haircut most probably gonna be a step by step skip fade, and let's see what's gonna happen. Oh my god, that's the perfect, and that was last but not least. I hope you had enjoyed that. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and the post notification to get updated for every new upload.